makes Joaquin sad? What makes Joaquin sad?
Kapag pinapagalitan ako ng mom ko. Honestly, kung pinagsabihan ako anywhere, like sa school or ni Kuya sa PBB, honestly, I take it like a child. Like, honestly, like, hindi ako na-apekto. Yes, natututo ako. Pero kapag iba talaga kapag pinapagalitan ka ng mom mo, or at least for me, kapag pinapagalitan ako ng mom or pinagsabihan ako ng mom ko, that's one of the things that could make me cry, like, easily. She has the biggest spot in my heart. Kaya, ayun, it's my mom that has the ability to make me sad. Lagi akong na-apekto sa kanya. Likewise, she also makes me happy. She also really makes me happy. If she has the ability to make me sad, she has the ability to make me happy. I love my mom.
Love it.